Hi guys, long time no see. So today we have something a little different. So we're going to be trying to make some retainers out of this mold maker that we got from our local thrift store, which only cost I think like $7 or either $8, and it was actually brand new and everything that you need was actually in the box. So I've already assembled everything, as you can see. And these are the molds that we're going to be using to make this. Well, to make the molds, the retainers or whatever. So, as you can see, these right here, this is the bottom. It comes with like 2 plates, and then it comes with plastic. That's the top. And these are the plastic sheets right here that we'll use. We're only going to use one. I was being cheap. So this is how you put it on. Taking forever trying to show y'all. So as you can see, I'm taking the top plate and I'm putting it on the bottom plate like that, with the plastic in between. And at this point, the mold maker has already been warming up. It has to warm up for I think like 10 minutes before you can put it on. So that's what it's doing. And the black thing is like the vacuum attachment because it needs to be hooked up to the vacuum. But this is how you place it in. You know, I did it the hard way. It's actually an easier way, but whatever. So you put it up there and you're just going to let it warm up. It has like a little ruler thing on the side, like I'm pointing to, and you let it drop about like 2 inches, like this right here. And once it drops, like makes a bubble, then you can put your teeth, put whatever you're trying to make a mold for, onto the metal plates. And the metal plate is where the suctioning happens from the vacuum cleaner. And once it's warmed up and the bubble is formed, you're going to slam it down on it and cut on your vacuum and let it suck all of the air out of it and compress. As you can see, that wasn't really a slam, but whatever. Right here, we're checking to see if it's cool down. Once it's cooled down, then you can remove it from the maker. And as you can see, I'm having a really hard time here, but once it's cooled down, this is how it looks. I really should have just did one retainer at a time, but I was trying to be cheap and save the plastic. But this is how it looks when it's cooled down. And once it's cooled down, you can basically just take everything apart. Well, that's the back. I'm showing the back now. And you can pull the retainers out. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to take everything apart. Like that. Oh, one fell down. So I didn't even have to take that one out. So here we go. If I can ever get the thing open, my goodness. Let's see. Okay, finally. I got it open. And we're going to just take it out. Like that. Just peel it out. Let's get it out. Yay, finally. So it didn't mess up the retainers or anything, the retainer mold. So that's what I'm showing you right there. It's amazing, right? I didn't even have to bend down and pick up the mold. Really picked it up. But this is how it looks. You can't really tell right now, but it really did actually get the shape of the retainer. You'll see once I cut it out. Sorry for smacking my lips, guys. And right here, I'm going to cut it a little bit. Show y'all my cutting process. with my kitchen scissors. And it was hard to cut it, you guys. But I got it done. So this is how they look once they're completely cut out. See? They look pretty good. Okay. So I'm going to try the retainers in, and that's how it looks. They actually fit. And off camera, Rita Red actually tried them on her teeth, and they fit. But I would not recommend. We were just playing around, so don't go out buying a mold maker and trying to make your own retainers. I don't recommend. Go to the dentist and let them make your retainers properly. We were just trying to see if it will work. So, as you can see, it actually did work. Now, this says it's like food grade plastic, but I don't really know. It's a really, really thin plastic too. Probably will cut your gums eventually, especially with the way that I cut it. So I wouldn't recommend that anybody uses this. So right here, guys, I decided to put a little bling on it, and I wouldn't recommend this either because I use some Elmer's glue. They really don't look that good now that I'm looking at it, but we were just having some fun. So with Elmer's glue, this will probably come off, and you end up swallowing these rhinestones. But hey, there you go. Some blinged out retainers with the mold maker. So they actually did. Maybe I'll do a video making something else, something more practical. But there, fits perfectly on that retainer, you see. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.